guys, it's Naya. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a wig from Now Beauty Hair. It comes with a seal, and inside the box is of course a card with social media and everything, as well as 2 pins, an elastic band, and 2 wig caps. And of course the wig. This is all the information, and this is how the hair looks outside of the box. Already I'm in love. There is no shedding, and the curl pattern is beautiful. I'm in love. So this is the hairline before bleaching, before plucking, and this is inside of the wig. It is a 13x6. It comes with all the combs, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And this is me plucking the hair. However, if you do want a more detailed plucking, I do have a video on it, so go check it out. But this is before and after. One side is plucked, this side is not. And this is the hair after rinsing it. I am going to apply my wig now. And this is how it looks after putting it onto my head and letting it dry for a little bit. The lace was bothering my eyelashes, so I'm just going to cut that part off. And now I'm going to go with my regular wig process. So here I'm just showing off the hair and the flow. I love this hair so much, but let's get into it. Now I'm just going to pull my hair away, just so that, you know, I won't get any straight hairs because we are about to do some surgery. I am pulling my hair back, and I'm going to put it in a ponytail, and I'm just going to wrap it around and clip it at the back. And I'm going to start with sizing it to my head and making sure that it's where it's supposed to be. And I'm going to go ahead with my eyebrow razor and cut as close to the hairline as possible. Honestly, I don't feel like I've done a great enough job unless I see some hair coming off along with the lace. So just cut as close as possible just to avoid any excess lace being shown. And again, as well as the earpieces, but we will cut those off later, and we're just going to do the same exact thing to the other side. But you can see it's already looking pretty okay. We're looking good. We're not looking too crazy, so we're just going to do the same thing to the other side. You guys can tell, but there's a little bit of a cast, but that's okay because after we glue it down and cut off a little bit more and then cover it with our powder and everything, it will go away. But now I'm about to cut my earpieces off, and as you guys could see, it's, you know, this is well over my ear. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh, this is giving me vacation hair. And you can side part it. Usually I put my hair in the side part. I think I'm gonna side part it. If you guys want a more detailed video on how I cut my earpieces, just make sure you like this video and comment. This is how it looks. So this is how it, you know. So I'm going to glue it down now. Hey! I'm going in with my Ghost Bond glue, and it's recommended that you do, I think, about 2 to 3 layers, but I just do 1 thin layer. I don't feel like those amount of layers are necessary unless you are very active or plan on wearing your wigs for a long time. And I just use any flat surface, and I just smooth it out, and once it starts turning clear, I put it on, and that honestly takes 10 seconds for it to start turning clear. And I just place it down, and I press it down with my finger. I was gonna keep this in the middle part, but I don't like how it looks. Like, I don't like how my hair looks in the middle part. So we're gonna have to side part her. So next I'm just gonna take my little NYX contour palette kit and get rid of this, you know, me looking a bit ashy. I take the dark color and I mix it kind of with this one because I don't want it too dark, but I still want it to look like scalp, you know. Let's just go in to whatever needs to be gone into. I don't want it too dark because, you know. And this is just an NYX contour palette, I guess HCPP01. If anything, whatever makeup you use on your face, you could just use it on your hairline. And then after this, I'm just gonna go back in and glue down what needs to be glued down, because some things didn't get glued down, and this just melts it. So I went ahead and put my hair up into a ponytail. This way is easier for me to see what needs to get glued down, because it lifts it up a little bit. So I'm just going to go into what was lifted up. So now it's time for baby hairs, and I use an eyebrow spoolie and the black bottle of Got To Be gel, and I just basically push forward the hair that's already there, and I cut it, and I go ahead and mold my baby hairs. I do the same thing for the other side, except this time I cut a little bit more than I should have, but you'll see I still made it work. Oh my gosh, I cut off too much, but it's okay. What I ended up doing is pulling down a little bit more hair just to give it the illusion that we didn't cut it so short. And I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I did it just now. And now we're going to figure out how to style our hair. So you guys, this is how it looks if I were to wear it in the middle part. What we're gonna do is just put my hair in the side part. I just wanted to show you guys the middle part and the parting. It is a 13x6, so this right here is the farthest that it goes. So now is the hard part where we try to figure out where we want our part to be. Okay, y'all, so something to know, the parting at the side you can't really do because the hair is right here. I don't know if y'all see that, but there's a track right here. Find a parting somewhere up here. While the hair is still wet, I'm gonna go in with some more of this mousse here. So you guys, this is the finished look. I mean, come on now. Scalp? Can I say that? Yes or no? You guys, this is the finished look. I love this hair. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go on vacation just so that I could wear this. But again, you guys, this is water wave hair, I believe 150 density. I did bleach the knots, and I did go in with some of my own plucking. If you guys want a bleaching tutorial, then let me know in the comment section and like this video. And if you guys want to see how I pluck my wigs, then there's a video on that, and it'll be either here or here, as well as in the description box and in the pinned comment. So let me know what you guys think of this hair. Yeah, I am in love with it. I'm going on vacation soon, so I actually can't wait to wear this hair for my vacation. But this hair is so soft. Usually after I bleach my knots, I experience a little bit of shedding. With this hair, I didn't experience any shedding. I'm vacation ready. What's up? Barbados, I'm ready. Trinidad, I'm ready. Jamaica, I'm ready. I'm ready. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.